Within the Titebond adhesive family, when it comes to things most of us are going to be making in our shop, it's really going to boil down to a selection of original, Titebond 2, or Titebond 3. So let's go over what we've got going on here. Titebond original is going to be that go-to glue for projects that are going to live inside. That's really the line in the sand here is live inside, live outside. Now that being said, all of these glues have some common attributes. One is that they've got a strong initial tack. They can be cleaned up with water, so your glue brush or any wet glue you've got laying around, cleaned up with water. And all of these are going to create a bond that's stronger than the surrounding wood if you've got a good glue joint. But when we're going to take projects that are going to live outside, we want to go to 2 or 3 for those. Now the difference between 2 and 3, water resistant, waterproof. Both of these are FDA approved, so if you've got food proximity, you're covered either way. Additionally, if we wanted to take that out of the picture altogether and use these on interior projects, you're going to be fine. But when we go outside, you got to go to one of these two. Water resistant versus waterproof. My line in the sand is, if you've got something that's going to be damp, like maybe a piece of outdoor furniture, Titebond 2 is a great choice for that. If you've got something that's going to be wet for much of its life, like a planter, Titebond 3 is a good choice for that. This chart does a great job of explaining some of the differences between original, Titebond 2, and Titebond 3. When it comes to strength, all of these glues are stronger than the wood that you're putting together. However, Titebond 3 does offer the strongest glue bond. Now in assembly time, Titebond offers an average assembly time of about 5 minutes, but you can see that Titebond 2 has the quickest set time and Titebond 3 provides the most working time. So that can also factor into your glue selection. Exterior projects, talked about this already, really Titebond 2 and Titebond 3 are your go-to choices for anything that's going to live outside. So next time you're increasing your inventory on glue, make sure that you pay attention to the rules of the road here so that you're using the right glue for the right application, and that's going to really provide your project with the ability to stand up to that test of time.